Alright, so here's a look at the Lynx Britannia RS fairing installed. Just gotta do the bolt right, so we can get to it. Bolt right there. You just drop this fender down, you put this bracket in right here. Put these spacers in back here. Get the bolts on this side. And then you gotta mount this windscreen right there on there. Then you get these headlights that basically plug right into the factory harness, so you don't gotta do anything. Then you'll get on the low beam here, you'll get low beam, and then the tops will do 10% at low. Now when you flip to high beam, they go straight high and they're super bright. All the lights come on. I think it looks pretty good. Try and get you guys a better nighttime review, and I can figure out how to do that. I was trying with my phone, but the light sensing on it makes it so you can't see as well. Like, it makes it look super bright. But the lights are night and day different compared to stock. You can totally see the whole road. It's like driving a brand new car. These lights right here light up the whole road. Definitely recommend this fairing. Then you also get all this dash space back here if you want to mount something on this. I haven't done anything yet, but maybe in the future we will. We're going to get rid of these fog lights here on the side because those are no longer needed. But it wasn't too hard. You know, you just, those mounts down there, hook up this side mounts, and then you got these two top ones here. Super simple. If you guys have any questions, let me know.